In earlier video, I explained you quadratic equation and find its roots with the help of splitting the middle term and completing the square method. Now, there is one more method that is called Sridharacharya formula. That is x equals to minus b plus minus b, under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Actually, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. When we will solve it with the completing the square, we will get value of x this. So, two roots are alpha equals to minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a and beta equals to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now, we can write it as minus b plus root d upon 2a and beta equals to minus b minus root d upon 2a. So what is d here? D is discriminant in both cases. So value, this is alpha, this is beta. So d equals to b square minus 4ac. This is discriminant. Now, nature of roots depends on value of d. Okay, if d is equals to 0, d equals to b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. If d equals to b square minus 4ac, d is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. And if d, then roots are not real. Okay, so this is formula to find roots and the value of roots. Otherwise, nature of roots depends on value of d. Now, question is find discriminant. Equation is x square plus x plus 2 equals to 0. Where value of a is 1, b is also 1 and c is 2. So, d equals to b square minus 4ac. So, discriminant will be b square 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 2. So, 1 minus 8. So, d equals to minus 7. Okay. So, see d, value of d is minus 7. It means roots are not real. In next question, 3x square minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So, a is here 3, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 2. Okay. So, d equals to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 2 square minus 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. So, 4 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Again value of d is minus 20. So, not equal roots are not equal. It's a answer. Now next question is root 3x square plus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3. So a equals to root 3, b equals to 2 root 2 and c equals to minus 2 root 3. So d equals to b square minus 4ac. So d equals to 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into root 3 into minus 2 root 3. So d 8 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 minus 24. So d 24 plus 8 32. So d is 32 here. So roots are real because d is greater than 0. Now next is 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square. So a is 3a square, b is 8ab and c is 4b square. So d equals to b square minus 4ac b square, 8ab whole square minus 4 into 3a square into 4b square, 64a square b square minus 12 4s are 48. 48 a square b square. So answer is 6 16 a square b square. So again here roots are real. Okay. So nature of roots depends on value of d.